you in. I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. Upset. No, I done set. Back of the class, man, on a subject. Girl, nah, be my one.
I actually came to do an x-ray, but they're sending me to their other branch. We don't go in place. I wish y'all gave me that information earlier when I called, because I called and asked if I had to do an appointment. And they're like, no, you can just walk in. This branch is on the farm, and now when we come, they're like, oh, you have to go to another branch. That shit's annoying. It's whatever. I just want to get this over with. I just want to get this done. And there's someone behind me, which is why I'm kind of talking low. Here's my ride. Okay, so I walked over to Cove is literally right behind where I just was. So it was like a 1 minute walk, if we're going to be very honest. I wanted to buy food, but in there is way too full. I'm gonna have the time or the patience just stand up and wait so long. My battery is dying, and I hate being on the road when my battery is dying. So I'm trying to get an Uber to go home, and oh my god, it's the fact that I almost bought food. I just remembered that I have leftovers at home. Oh my god, I'm gonna eat my leftovers. Cannot believe I almost forgot about that. But anyways, I don't think I explained to you guys what exactly I went to get an x-ray for. So for the past 3 months or so, my wrist has been acting up. I don't know. I have been feeling pain in my wrist. I cannot do the basic things. Like I can't open my bottle, I can't twist things, I can't even twist my hand to a certain extent. It hurt me right now. It's just getting worse, to be honest, and I've been prolonging this for a very long time. I don't know why. As I tell you, is that I have anxiety every time I'm supposed to do something. It could be the simplest of tasks. I will literally drag it out because I feel anxious and it just don't make sense. But yeah, and I don't know why I would feel like x-rays costed more, or this one would have costed more. It was literally just $10,000. It was just $10,000. I have to go back on Wednesday to get the results. I got a CD though. I don't have any use for the CD, but I guess if in case them can't find the report or anything, at least I have this and I could probably give it to them or something. I don't know. So yeah, that way I'm not buying the food they do because no, the line is way too long. I'm waiting on an Uber, but it seems like there's a lot of traffic on the there is a lot of traffic on the road, to be very honest. That sucks. Archery Road, dear god, it's gonna take a lot longer than 8 minutes, that's for sure. A smart person would probably order the food and wait, but I feel like the cab is going to get here before the food is ready, and if I'm not about to cancel Uber and then wait another one when the food is ready. I don't have patience for that, so yeah, we're gonna scratch that. The man there in the pink shirt right there, so I'm gonna try to turn up the brightness on this. Yeah, that's where the line is. It goes all the way to like up there. You see the distance. Yeah, I'm gonna join that. I'm so sorry. So I'm just chilling right here. still. Big up makeup by Kim anyway she did another dance. Well, it ain't that. And she did it with one flashlight in the dark. The angle. I am home. I'm so exhausted. I'm really happy that my bed is clear right now because we really could have managed to come home and I feel clean. I didn't explain what was happening earlier, but what had happened was Lee was telling me or asking me to accompany her on a shoot. Didn't realize that she was asking me to be in the shoot. So my literally going to my yard clothes. I went in what I had on earlier today. You know, the same thing when we did go doctor in our, you know, to do my x-ray. That's what I had on when I went. And then she was like, well, your clothes there. And then the other people are like, oh, are you gonna get your makeup done too? And I'm like, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Luckily, the traffic going back to my house wasn't as thick. So I was like, yeah, may I go home to change, because if I'm gonna be in a shoot, I'm not gonna be wearing my yard clothes. So I went home, changed her band, come back and did what we had to do, and then we ended up going to TGI. I didn't vlog that. We're in there for a little while. I don't know, I think because I was having a little bit of drinks at the shoot, I just wasn't feeling the drinks vibe anymore by the time I got to TGI. And the thing is, I really wanted to go to TGI, so by the time I got there, I'm just never there feel the vibes no more. And I drank the drink and it didn't do anything to me. And if you know me, you know I'm a lightweight, so I had the drink and it was just like, okay. And I decided I'm not gonna push it and drink another one because the vibe just isn't there, and I'm trying not to over drink or indulge in so much drinking. So we'll come on my yard. The party is continuing, but without me, because we'll come on my yard. I'm resting, because if I go somewhere else, I'm going to want another drink. And I'm not going to want to sit down and drink water. And I feel like it's gonna be a buzzkill because I'm very tired right now. I just really want to go to sleep. Yeah, my day is done. My day is completely finished. Yeah, man, it's done. But my outfit is cute. No, always I wonder why that could room, man. Always in the corner of my room. First of all, I hate that it's blue. So it's just so obvious. If it was a black or a white room, fine, but it's blue. Why is it blue? I keep it in here because I'm always a brush out, and I can't bother. Why would I really keep it anywhere else? I'm just always, I see it in a little corner. I just ate that. You ate on this face because this look good. I love the blush. I had my powder, my blush, and some mascara in my bag, so that's all I put on. Just a little light beat, because initially I wasn't supposed to be doing too much in the video, but then I ended up doing more than I was supposed to. So just tell her, all right girl, this is working magic. And she worked her magic. She didn't take off any of my foundation. She just removed the foundation from under my eyes so she could put a little bit of concealer, and then she put on some blush. My eyebrows aren't even done. There's literally no makeup on my forehead because clearly I have on a hat. We're not gonna do that. Give me some lashes, put my lip gloss on, a little contour on my nose. Ate that. This is a light beat that just looks so scrumbly yum purr. That's about it. This is where my night ends. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Night. It is the next day, which is Saturday, and today has just been a bit of a roller coaster because I think I am sick. Woke up this morning and I just realized that my throat hurt me. I feel congested. First I was thinking if I'm a fan, because I have my fan, my regular fan, and I took out my portable AC since this heat wave. So I use them alternately, and sometimes I use them both. let's just keep that a secret. I was using the portable one at night because sometimes I can put ice in it and it makes it cooler, so that one is fine. But I have it a little bit closer to my bed, so I wonder if it's too close to me and that's why I was feeling this way. But I realized that throughout the entire day I still felt this way, and normally when a fan affects me or anything, it goes away within a couple hours. And I realized, say, this is still lingering, so I feel like I caught a bug. My boyfriend got me some fruits, so I have watermelon and pineapple here. I don't know why I'm feeling for cantaloupe, but I really want some cantaloupe. I don't know, these been in the fridge for a couple hours because I like cold fruits, and I don't know if I heat or something, but the fridge now get cool. I feel like I'm dying. I put some ice in my cup for my water. If you know me, you know my room temperature water girly. Since this summer, I be ice water, I be a cold water, me a drink. I'm just very depressed. I don't like being hot, you know. I don't like being hot, and I don't sweat. I don't normally sweat at all, not even when I'm working out in the gym. And these days, oh my God, I feel like I'm dying. I had 2 breakdowns today because I'm PMSing. I feel like every time I'm vlogging, I'm PMSing. I don't know what it is, but here we are again, saying I'm very miserable, I'm hot, I'm hungry. I actually ordered some Indian food from Saffron. I love their Indian food. That butter chicken and that garlic naan, it got me. It got me. I've never ordered anything else from Saffron. Big up Anisha for our friendship date when we first met. I have been hooked ever since, and that's the only thing I buy. I haven't tried anything else from Saffron because I just don't want to buy something else and it tastes bad. And so because that just tastes so good, it's like, why wouldn't I want to buy it again and again and again and again and again? I'm never tired of it. It's not like I eat it often, so it's fine. I'm just there. I'm watching a vlog, and I was scrolling on TikTok today, trying to find things to do in Kingston, things to do in Jamaica, but specifically Kingston, because there must be more to Kingston than just nightlife, just the clubbing, the partying. I cannot stand it. There must be some nice activities to do throughout the days. So I found a couple, and I decided that I'm going to dedicate some of my summer days to doing those activities. This month is very jam-packed. I have 2 weeks until my birthday, and the birthday weekend, my birthday weekend is dream weekend, so I don't know if I'm gonna be there for one of the events yet. I don't really know. Bought a birthday dress and it's giving prom. I don't even know if I want to show you guys that. It's just such an embarrassment. But anyways, I planned an activity for tomorrow. I was really hesitant about doing it because I'm doing it by myself. I was thinking of inviting a friend, but I really need to start going on solo dates. I really need to spend time with myself that is not in my room, you know, in these 4 walls. I'm just gonna do something fun tomorrow, but when tomorrow come on, always see. I have another activity planned for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'm not doing anything on Monday because I don't know what there is to do on Monday. So I'll probably just take that as my rest day. And Thursday, I don't know what there is to do on Thursday. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna go and eat my fruits and watch my vlog and wait on my food. I'll be back when the food comes.
I'm Chris, by the way. That's this page. I'm another instructor. So we have 2 safety commands to that library. One is a live range. It's a command that we give down the line to let everybody know that, hey, you can click arrows on the string, you can shoot on range. Only time you're allowed to have arrows on the string, okay? The other command is called a ceasefire. When we're in a ceasefire, you're not supposed to have any arrows on the string.
Okay.
Chris, make sure so it's in line with it. Because I won't be able to see shit.
And here we have her pulling her first set of arrows. She actually did pretty well, even though she's being hard on herself, but she'll definitely get better. If she going on the yellow, but she'll definitely get better because she has a good coach.
Love that.
She has a good coach.
Yeah.
Hope I'm not too distracted.
Come back. Nice one.
Wow! Oh my god! I love that. You see that? Okay. Yeah. Alright. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. But before I actually close it out, I just wanted to say the archery class was a 10 out of 10. If you don't have no friends or nothing, it don't really matter because I went by myself today and I still have fun. Excuse Shanita's disrespectful self in the background. Disrespectful. But yeah, it's really fun. It's something new. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue trying to find the new stuff to do in Kingston because me is not that party girl anymore. I'm sorry, I get old. That's what I'm saying. I get old, I cannot manage. Anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.